Hello, everyone. Right now, there are people from coast to coast to coast working incredibly hard to deal with this pandemic. From business owners to factory workers, pilots to truck drivers, everyone is pitching in. And right at the heart of that Team Canada effort are healthcare workers, nurses and doctors, paramedics, custodial workers, emergency care and hospital support workers, and so many more. So I want to take a moment to say thank you on behalf of a grateful country. Every day you put yourselves at risk to keep us healthy and safe. You embody the very best of Canada. Your selflessness, your courage, and your unwavering dedication to help others is what will get us through this crisis. I know you're working incredibly long hours, but know that we're here for you. And our government will continue working as hard as we can to ensure you have the personal protective equipment you need, like gloves, surgical masks, and face shields. And I want to say again to everyone who doesn't need to leave home to work right now, please do the right thing and stay home. Listen to our public health rules. Take them seriously. We can make a difference and win this fight against COVID-19, but only if we act now together. Do it for our doctors, our nurses, our paramedics, our custodial workers, and more who make sacrifices every day to keep us safe, to keep your loved ones safe. Let's continue to stick together and protect our frontline workers.